What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And speaking of sneaker, we have this Air Max. Ooh, look at the gambanon with snake-ish thing on the side. Spicy. Yeah, and I just pulled this out because of fall season. So face on, mask required. So we are already in Nike outlet, and as you can see, the long line. Whoa, really long line. Wow. So let's get in, and as I spot on, we got 30% on the clothing. So I saw this one. It is a nice short, Jordan shorts with like a black cement with 21.97, retail of 55, additional 30%. So that. All right, moving on with the Nike React Vision. Ooh, 64, Element React 87, 89. On Tennis Classic CS, 34.97 with the 30%. How about some Nike Zoom KD 109.99? I like the color though, kind of vibrant-ish, the navy. Ooh. How about the Joyride Dual Run? They were selling for 54.97 with the 30. And before we go through, how about, can you please rate my outfit? Sweat Nike and also the Jordan jacket. What do you think on those? And also my top. Ooh. Huh? Can you please rate my outfit? Please do so. And how about this one? Check this out. Jordan on the back with that 34 with a satin. Ooh, game satin. Tennis Classic. Go back on Tennis Classic 34.97 with 30%. Odyssey React 2 Flyknit 49.97 with the 30%. Nike Free Flyknit 79.97 with the 30. Nice one of those. Nike Metcon 4. This one is sitting here for years. Nike Air Max Fusion 39.97. Oh, with the 30. Oh, Joyride CC Setter. Wow, it's been sitting also 59.97 with the 30. I like the colorway though. This one 69.97 with a different colorway, some kind of triple black. 59.97 with the 30. Air Max 200 54.97 with the 30. How about the different colorway with the white and black 59.97 as well, and React Element 59.97 with the 30. This is not bad though, not bad. All right, another React Element 59.97 with the 30 with a little bit accent of a blue thing. And how about Jordan Max 254.97 with the 30%. And how about this one, Jordan Aerospace? Ooh, with the Kyrie 69.97. There you go. Might gonna pick some of this. Zoom Freak one 69. No. All right. KD Tray 5 44.97 with the 30%. How about the LeBron 99? No additional discount though. Alright, Jordan Metamorph Utility 49.97 with the 30%. Not bad for the price if you wanna don't much spend that much. How about the Jordan Y, not 0.3? Jordan Mars 270. 89 patent leather. Ooh, another Mars 720 89. Okay, 30% off. Back wall, hash wall, clearance wall, any kind of wall. Yorachi type. Okay. 49. And Jordan Proto React. Ooh, LeBron Witness. What do you think on that one? Alrighty, we got the Jordan High React 4497. Pick this up. I'm going to pick this up. Okay, if they got more, I'm gonna get all of them. Look at those. Pick of the week for the kids, 79.99. No additional discount. Nice color though. Okay, classic Cortez leather. Women's React, 79.97 to 30. Pick this up. I'll pick one of this for a particular size, probably size 8. And this one don't have the additional discount, so I might gonna pass. How about the Air Max? This one has been sitting on all outlets. So I saw this online, Instagram. Whew, they're flooded. They are flooded. But I like the color though. Paper Max 360. Surprise, 99.97 with the 30. Not bad, but they had only the smaller sizes. So, how about some Katie's? This one is nice. A lot of colorway, so not my size. And this one is kind of, ooh, that's big. Well, okay. Jordan Max another on GS 54.97, Mars 270 on kids. Another patent leather on the kids 54.97. Okay, looking into the Hashwall and women's and the kids. Not much going on. Oh, full wear 30%. And how about this one? Mars 270 colorway. Pass. Alright. How about this one? Air Max 720 GS. Air Max 720. Still high. About 312 79.99. Oh, come on. Okay, moving on. Still on women's section. Epic React. Planet 64.97. Jordans are sitting here forever 49.97. And how about the AF1? How about Shop? 49.97 additional 30. Another Element 44.97. Like the colorway though, not bad. All right, what else? What we could find? Another Jordan Zip High 49.97. All right, I think that's it. So we have 30% here on Windbreaker, Nike Jordan Windbreaker ish. I like the color, a classic colorway. So see that one, big Jumpman, big logo Jumpman, and Nike and a swoosh. Nice color combination. Looks like classic colorway.